for Mechatronic student. I'm in final year. I'm from Group 8 and our project is about an IoT intelligent building energy management system. There are two persons who are in charge in programming for the project and I am one of them. I'm in charge of offline system in designing a system to sense the presence of the human at the particular parts of the building. Before creating the system, I had created the schematic diagram and the breadboard connection of the system using freezing software. Then I used the Arduino software to create the coding of the system. If there are motion sensed by the PIR sensor, the particular parts of the section for the lamps and the fan system, which represented by LED and DC motor respectively, will switch on, else the system stops. The lamp and fan system were controlled by the LDR sensor and DHT11 sensor respectively. The aircon will switch on and off at the time that user have been set in RTC module. The time can be set through mobile as well IoT. I fixed all the components needed and test with Arduino software. This is to make sure the system functions well and as expected. After failing several times, I managed to get the most suitable coding for the whole system. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Tan Ning Huang, final year Arcade Reform Mechatronic Engineering student. I'm one of the members from Group 8 with the project title an IoT Intelligent Building Energy Management System. I was given the task as a programmer in this group to deal with the IoT field. To play with IoT, a server was needed to use as a platform to communicate between the user and the system. So, to add my work to program, Bring was used as a medium to play with it. So inside the Bring's application, the user was able to switch on or off the fan, lamp and air condition anytime with the condition of having Wi-Fi internet. Besides, the user could set the timer for air condition to turn on and off automatically. The current sensor that stored in the current sensor data that's stored in the Bring servers is able to inspect in real time and show in graphical form. The data could then be exported out in Excel form to review. This system can also indicate if any person inside the house with the indicator from the Bring application. Apart from that, I'm also in charge in setting up the system of current system, combine the other program and debugging the program to make it run as fast and smooth as expected. That's all I've done in this project. Thank you.
My name is Abdul Malik Muhammad Al-Bash. I am first year student in Mechatronic Engineering, as its name is here. Basically, what I have done on our project was in the prototype work. So what I have did is we cut the wood. Then later, my job was to combine it to make it like one house, like for the smart house. So I combined the wood using the hammer, nails, also the glue for the wood. Then I use it to make sure that the house will not be damaged or not be disconnected or something like this. So also I was doing like small spaces in the wood to make sure that the wires can move through it. So also we didn't combine it directly after we cut it. No, we make sure to make it smooth, to make the wood smooth, so that when you touch it, it's not hard, it's smooth. So it will be also beautiful and it will help us on doing the work. Alhamdulillah, we did it well. We faced some problem and obstacles, but Alhamdulillah, we over it by our friends Scout also. And that was my part, combine the wood. Thank you very much, Malik Abbas.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Izzuddin bin Taib. I'm from Group 8. My task is I do minute meeting for our group because I the secretary for the Group 8. After that, I also do the cutting the wood for the prototype. I cut the wood. The second task I do for the group is I go to buy the wood and then we go to our friend house to cut the wood based on the size we need for the prototype. After that, we go to other shop to buy the other woods because the wood before this not enough. After that I grind the wood so the wood will be flat and it look nice.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Nazima binti Abdul Latif. I'm a group leader for Group 8. As a leader, I make sure all the members work by dividing their tasks and has a progress each week by having a meeting or discussion. I'm also taking part on solving the issue if something suddenly came up. Although I'm a leader, I'm also in charge with financial for our group. Therefore, I'm responsible on buying the component for the circuit and prototype. Since my main task is to come up with idea on design the prototype, I'm using a SolidWorks and other software to draw the design of the prototype. And for that reason, I'm involved on doing a prototype such as set a place to cut wood, set the tools that need to be used, smooth the wood surface, make a finishing touch on the prototype to make the prototype marketable.